In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transaction volume USD in TradingView Pro. This is a really useful metric, especially if you trade crypto or any on-chain assets, because it shows you the dollar value of transactions happening on the network. Instead of just seeing price and regular volume, you'll be able to quickly gauge how much real economic activity is flowing through that asset. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for the asset you want to analyze. It can be any chart, but most people use this for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once your chart is open, look at the top of the screen for the indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and the symbol search bar. Go ahead and click on indicators. This opens up the main indicators and strategies window where you can search and browse different tools. Inside this window, you'll see several categories along the left side or along the top, depending on your layout. What we want is the fundamental section. Click on Fundamental. This area is focused on metrics that go beyond just price action, like on-chain data, financial ratios, and other key stats that help you understand what's happening under the hood. Once you're in the fundamental section, look for a category called Networks. Go ahead and click on Networks. This is where TradingView keeps network-based metrics for assets, which is especially useful for crypto. Here you'll find things like active addresses, hash rates, and what we're interested in today, transaction volumes. Now, inside the Networks category, scroll through the list until you see transaction volume USD. When you find it, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add this as an overlay or as a separate pane on your chart, depending on the default settings for that indicator. Give your chart a moment to update, and you should now see the transaction volume USD displayed. You can customize how it looks by hovering over the indicator name on the chart, clicking the settings icon, and adjusting colors, line style, or scale so it's easier to read alongside price. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added transaction volume USD to your TradingView Pro chart. If you want to start using TradingView Pro yourself and don't have an account